Everyone, this is Gautam Kumar. Today I am share some job update with you. Before that, please like this video, share this video with your friend who need jobs update, and please subscribe it. And if you need a job update, then please join my Telegram group. This link I will paste in description box. Please join. Let's I have share first job from data analytics, a specialist AI and cloud manager and senior manager, Ahmedabad location for Ahmedabad location, and salary is 22 LPA to 37 LPA per year, and this is your number of position one, and the job ID is this, and work of experience need 5 year to 10 year, and CTC salary is 22L to 37 LPA. Qualification in BTech, BE and other engineering, MBA, PGDM and MPM information technology location. And location I am already share with you Ahmedabad location. But my second job is business finance and analyst. This is also for Ahmedabad, Gujarat location. And this is your responsibility and all. And salary are not mentioned in uh, this job update. uh, if you need to apply, if you are also apply to our third job for data analyst for Haryana location, and salary is 1.8L to 3 LPA per year, and this is for fresher, and qualification total work 1 year preferred. If you are fresher, you have also apply on it. Our next job is product analyst for Delhi location, and salary is 12 LPA up to 12 LPA, and opportunity is full time and shift is day shift. Okay, and the total work experience required 2 year preferred, and this is all about that in this job. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the details. Our next job is data analyst for Hyderabad, Telangana location, and salary up to 5 LPA to 8 LPA, and this is full time, regular, permanent, and shift is night shift, and and total work experience 2 year before salary, sales analysis and Microsoft Excel need. Okay, and this is your job description. And if you need to apply this job, you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Bangalore, Karnataka location. This is this is all about 5 year of experience you need, and qualification need BTech, MCA, MBA. Okay, and salary is 11 LPA to uh, 85 LPA, I think. And how 110 thousand 10,000 like uh, 8 8 LPA. Okay, sorry. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the details. Our next job is resource analyst. This is also for Ahmedabad, Gujarat location, and salary is 30K to 50K per month, and shift is day shift, and opportunity, this is also full time opportunity. And how to apply this? And this is your responsibility and all, and this is need a skill set, and this is your working culture award. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is order to case master data analyst analysis. And this is for Bangalore, Karnataka location, and salary is 6 LPA to 12 LPA per month, sorry, per year. And shift is flexible shift, US shift and UK shift, means night shift. And this is all about minimum 3 to 6 year of experience you need. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the details. Our next job for data analyst for Mumbai, Maharashtra, and also remote location, and salary is 1.8 LPA to 2.2 LPA per year, and job type is full time, and job for fresher, and apply now and you fill the detail. And our next job is data analyst for Chennai Tamil Nadu location, and salary is 8 LPA to 11 LPA, and opportunity is full time regular, and shift is day shift. And how to apply this, and this is your JD, job description and all, you can read here. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Sorry. Our next job is data analyst for Mumbai, Maharashtra location. Sorry. This job I already repeated. Our next job is senior analyst global competition benefits for Ahmedabad and Gujarat location. And the salary is not mentioned here. And this is your competition and all. And this is your benefit and all. And how to, and qualification need bachelor degree and minimum 5 years of experience. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job for research analyst Ahmedabad Gujarat location. This is salary is 30k to 50k per month. And how to apply this job, you have applied now and you fill the details. Before that, there are 5 days the working hour. And our next job is data analyst MIS report, and location is Ahmedabad Gujarat location, and salary up to 1.5 LPA to 4 LPA. And this is a full-time opportunity and a day shift. And this is your job description: good communication skill, accounting and finance person, advanced Excel formula and all. And how to apply the job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our sorry our our next job for Power BI. This is for Surat Gujarat location, and opportunity is full time. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply now. Apply on a company website, and you fill the all details. Our next job is data analyst for Surat location. Also, this is also for Surat location, and salary is 50k to 25k per month. And shift is morning shift. Okay. And total fit for work experience 1 year. But if you are fresher, you can also apply on it. And this is your responsibility and role. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is business analyst for Jaipur Rajasthan location, and salary is 10k to 25k. And opportunity is full time opportunity and regular. And education is bachelor preferred. And how to apply this job, you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. And in this job, salary is 10k to 25k per month. And our next job is marketing analyst. This is for a remote location, and salary is 5L to 6L PA. And opportunity is full-time regular, and the total work experience needed 2 years, 0 to 2 years of experience you need. And this is your job description and all. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply and you fill the detail. Our next job is product analyst for fresher, and this is for Gurugram, Haryana location. And this is also full-time opportunity, and salary is not mentioned here. And experience needed 0 to 1 year. And how to apply this job, you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Mohali, Punjab location, and salary is 5 LPA to 6 LPA. And this is full-time opportunity. And this is your job description: advanced Excel must have, and life cycle drive automation task and all. You can read here. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is senior data analytics from Bangalore, Karnataka location, and salary is 2.5 L to 6 LPA per year. And this is your job description, you can see here. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst MIS report for Ahmedabad location, and salary is 1.5 LPA to 4 LPA. And this is your day shift. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analytics for Ahmedabad location. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the details. Thanks for watching this video, guys.